In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Ubisoft with GOG step by step so you can sync your supported Ubisoft games inside GOG Galaxy and keep everything in one place. This is a super useful setup if you like managing your game library from a single launcher instead of switching between different apps. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right on. First, open GOG Galaxy on your computer. If you don't already have it installed, make sure you download and install it first, then launch the app. Once GOG Galaxy opens, sign in using your GOG.com account. This is important because you need to be logged in before you can connect any external gaming accounts. After you're signed in, look for the gear icon in the top corner. That's your settings menu. Click on it and then find the section that says Add Games and Friends. Inside that menu, select Connect Gaming Accounts. This is where GOG Galaxy lets you link services like Ubisoft, Epic Games, Steam, and others. Now you'll see a list of available platforms. Look for Ubisoft Connect in the list. Once you find it, click Connect. As soon as you do that, a Ubisoft login window should appear. This means GOG is ready to authorize the connection between your accounts. Next, sign into your Ubisoft account. Enter your username or email and your password, then click Sign In. Depending on your account security settings, Ubisoft may ask you to confirm permissions before continuing. If that happens, review the access request and allow the permissions so GOG Galaxy can sync your Ubisoft library properly. After you approve everything, give it a moment to sync. The process may take a little while depending on how many games you have and how fast your connection is. Just wait for the sync to complete and don't close the app during this step if you can avoid it. Once the sync is finished, go to your library inside GOG Galaxy. You should now see your supported Ubisoft games showing up there. Keep in mind that only supported titles will appear, so if a game doesn't show up, it may not be available for syncing through the integration. And that's it. You've now connected Ubisoft with GOG and your game library should be much easier to manage from here on out. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what other gaming tutorials you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.